if Brian got Grant Cardone's attention, then he's got my attention. You know, Brian's created this structure that if you follow it and you are committed and dedicated to doing what you're taught and applying what you learn, that the only outcome is success. The only outcome is ROI, return on your investment. It's inevitable if you do what he teaches. I took about 2 to 3 months to just devour the course. It took me a few days, I wasn't really getting anywhere, but then in a single day, I found 2 owners that were willing to work with me on this, that saw this as a good option for them. It was exhilarating because I listed the one, within 2 hours I got my first booking. And I was driving and I thought, this is like, congratulations, so-and-so booked your place. And I was like, yes! Keep in mind that when I started, I was still working full-time, 40, 50 hours a week as a sales manager. I had my growing tax and accounting business. I had these 3 listings. I was married. Around the same time I got these listings, we got pregnant with our first baby. Life was extremely busy. And my wife was in full-time school as well, in addition to working full-time. It's just like, you know, I went from no listings to 3 listings within like a month. And so I was like, okay, I'm about at capacity because I've got a lot going on. When I look deep inside and ask, what do I want? It's not to keep working for somebody and have to clock in and clock out. It's freedom, autonomy, flexibility, being where I want, when I want. That's the life I want to live because that allows me to be the kind of dad and husband I want. You know, that's what's most important. This last year has seriously been so eventful. It's crazy to look back and see everything that's transpired, but it's been a massive, massive blessing to our family and just a really amazing experience. So.